Hello friends, welcome to the Family Pharma BD YouTube channel. Dear friends, when you look in the mirror, do you keep noticing new pimples appearing on your face? Why does acne keep coming back again and again? Is facial acne only a beauty problem, or is it a signal from inside your body? Are you changing creams and face washes but the acne just would not go away? If so, this video is for you. In today's video, we will talk about a very common yet annoying problem. What is facial acne? Why does acne occur on the face? Who are more likely to get acne? And we will also discuss the introduction, uses, mechanism of action, precautions and side effects of Clinface Gel, which is commonly used in acne treatment. So let's get started. Before that, if you are new to the Family Pharma BD YouTube channel, please subscribe and stay with us. First, let's understand what acne is. Acne is a common skin condition that occurs when skin pores become blocked with oil, dirt and dead skin cells. Pores are tiny openings in the skin through which sweat and oil are released and hair grows. When these pores get blocked, the following types of acne may appear on the face: red pimples, pus-filled pimples, blackheads, whiteheads, etc. Now let's find out why acne occur. The main causes of acne include excess oil production in the skin, hormonal changes especially during adolescence, bacterial infections, blocked skin pores, excessive use of cosmetics, mental stress and irregular sleep. These factors are commonly lead to the acne on the face. Now let's see who are more prone to acne. Acne is more commonly seen is teenagers, people with oily skin, individuals with hormonal problems, people who use excessive makeup, those who do not keep their skin properly clean. Now let's discuss some home remedies or initial care for acne. Some simple habits can be very helpful in reducing acne. Washing the face twice daily with a mild face wash, avoiding oily cosmetics, not touching or squeezing pimples, drinking enough water, getting adequate sleep and reducing stress. However, remember, for severe or long-lasting acne, home remedies alone are not sufficient. In such cases, you must follow the advice of a qualified doctor. One effective medicine used in acne treatment is Clinface Gel. Now let's learn about Clinface Gel. Clinface Gel is a topical medication mainly used to treat facial acne. It is manufactured by Square Pharmaceuticals Limited. This gel contains clindamycin phosphate 1.2%, tretinoin 0.025%. Clindamycin phosphate is an antibiotic that destroys acne-causing bacteria. Tretinoin 0.025% helps remove dead skin cells and reduce pore blockage. How does Clinface Gel work? Clinface Gel works in multiple ways. Reduces acne-causing bacteria, cleans dirt and impurities from deep inside the skin, prevents new acne formation, regulates the normal skin cell turnover process. As a result, acne gradually starts to improve. Now let's discuss how to use Clinface Gel properly. Clinface Gel is usually applied at night before bedtime. Wash your face thoroughly and dry it well. Apply a thin layer of Clinface Gel on the affected area. Do not apply it to the eyes, lips, inside the nose or on open wounds. Usually once daily application is sufficient. Wash your face in the morning. Use sunscreen during the daytime. Important precautions while using Clinface Gel. Do not use Clinface Gel continuously for a long time without medical advice. If you are pregnant, use it only after consulting a doctor. The skin may become more sensitive to sunlight during use. Do not use strong face creams or scrubs along with Clinface Gel. In children, Clinface Gel should only be used with a doctor's advice. Possible side effects of Clinface Gel include dry skin, redness, mild burning sensation, peeling of the skin. These side effects are usually temporary. However, if they become severe, consult a doctor immediately. Keep in mind, Clinface Gel is not a fairness cream. It is used only for acne treatment. Regular and proper use gives better results. Finally, remember, this video is made for educational purposes only. Always consult a dermatologist before using any medication. Friends, if this video was helpful, please like it, share it and subscribe to the Family Pharma BD channel for regular health and medical information. Thank you everyone.